Your Snowflake bill just doubled, and you didn't change a single query. This is a technical teardown of how Snowflake's credit consumption model silently multiplies costs the moment your concurrent query load hits real production volumes. Snowflake promises elastic pay-as-you-go cloud data warehousing. Scale up when you need it, pay nothing when you don't. The pitch is clean. Virtual warehouses spin up on demand, auto-suspend when idle, and credits only burn when compute runs. What they don't lead with is how that model behaves under concurrent load. Each virtual warehouse is a single compute cluster, and a single cluster queues concurrent queries rather than distributing them across additional clusters. When queue depth triggers Snowflake's auto-scaling, a second or third full warehouse spins up, and you're now burning credits at a multiplied rate. Auto-suspend defaults are measured in minutes, not seconds, meaning a warehouse that served a 10-second query can idle for 60 to 600 seconds before suspending, burning credits the entire time. Billing is per second with a 60-second minimum charge per resume event, which compounds fast under high-frequency, short-duration query patterns. Enterprise and business critical tiers carry a credit surcharge over standard for the same compute size, a wall that hits hard when compliance requirements force the upgrade. Snowpark Compute, data egress, and cloud services overhead, which kicks in when it exceeds 10% of daily compute credits, are line items that rarely appear in initial cost modeling. At scale, teams regularly discover their actual monthly spend is 2 to 3 times their initial warehouse-only projection. Snowflake is a genuinely best-in-class platform for analytical workloads, but its cost model punishes teams who treat it like a traditional always-on database. The fix is architectural. Right-size warehouse tiers, tune auto-suspend aggressively, isolate workloads by query type, and instrument credit burn before you scale concurrency. If you're evaluating Snowflake or looking for cost governance tooling, check the links in the description for resources we've vetted. Subscribe for more infrastructure teardowns that skip the marketing and go straight to the architecture.